ano ako, na-stress ako sa ano. Brrrr, ganon. So sabi ko, lah, ano yun?
Good morning, Philippines!
3 o'clock, guys. 3 o'clock ng umaga. Magpack lang ako ng kain. Hinitami. You need to have some food. Alam niyo naman, yung baby ko. Good morning, guys. Hindi ko alam kung may snow or something. Tignan niya natin, be. Wala, may snow. May snow pero hindi makapal. So, which is good. Pero yung ice. Yun yung problema, yung ice. Ang hirap talaga kapag bumangon ka ng sobrang aga. Yung mata mo. It's snowing, but not really bad.
Yeah.
Huh? Why you have that here?
Because I got a new one.
What's that?
Between today and tomorrow, you're doing like 48 inches over here, plus ice over here.
Hala.
How much gas do you have in the house?
I don't know. Look over there. Can you look over there?
Where am I looking?
Over there, where you put the thing.
In here?
Yeah, that's where you put the
Nothing in there, it's keys.
the other side. The other one.
Right, go like that.
No, don't. Just don't.
In case you have to get the guy in here. Hmm.
$48 to Erie. What is the 48 inches here? And don't go crazy, and you have to leave something.
Well, this way you have 120 bucks. I'm guessing if he comes here, it'll be less than 100 because less snow, but you know what? That's maybe not true.
Boy. Little boy. So when is that gonna start, you think?
See this?
Habs has been sleeping with us the whole night. So what is starting? When is that starting?
Great snow.
I know, but it's not high yet.
Oh no, it's good. What? I don't know when it gets high. Like you said, you're gonna get the snow tight, and then more is moving in tomorrow, so I don't know how that works.
You drive careful, huh? Please.
Yeah.
Plus there's no plow yet, hon.
So I know.
But at least in the highway there's car, right? Running.
It's like crazy. What's going on now?
Is it? What is it? Is it red?
Is what?
Red?
No, this one is. I don't know. That one was like a week ago now. This one's itching like crazy now. Hobbs says he owns your seat now.
Alis lang si Tami. Sobrang aga din ito naghingi ng pagkain. Oy, you've been sleeping with us. Huh? You've been sleeping with us, little boy. Little boy. Little boy.
It's clean that's not on the other side of you.
Yeah. Such a cute little bug.
And he's so cute, so gentle, just touch your face like this, and he has to have his paw lying on your face. The whole time you're sleeping, he's like this.
Yeah, it's so cute.
He's like, he's gotta be touching your face. Don't you little man.
Forget anything, you have your...
This stays here. Can we put it in the garage?
Yeah.
Let's put it in the garage. Bye, puppy puppies.
So si Tami
Hi,
was
Jumper Lips. Hi, little man.
May hubby.
Yeah. Hi, Alan. I love you too. You can stay inside, it's cold.
Like in your garage already? Okay.
That's where I need to be.
So Sobrang komportable itong binigay ni Mira na ano, pajama. Oh. Komportable siya. Tignan natin sa labas kung makapal ba yung snow. Hindi man siya makapal, pero tignan natin kung icy ba siya. Kasi delikado itong mag-drive. Kailangan kasi niya kasi yeah. Nag-uo kasi siya sa trabaho. So ngayon, open this thing. Open it. Put it there. Make sure that it's not gonna because of the juice.
Oh yeah, you got that liquid in.
Yeah.
Love you, Ann.
I love you too.
Have a good day.
Please drive careful, huh? Please, son. Slowly, okay? It's really sad. I'm worried about him. I'm worried about him because very cold. It's not outside and it's his ice. Told him to drive very slow. Don't go crazy driving because yung kalsada, makikita mo talaga na wala pang mga sasakyan nagdaan-daan kasi walang line, wala pang gumagamit ng road. So, hopefully sa highway, ano siya. Anyway guys, I'm going back to sleep. Actually, I'm going to make a title for my video para this morning, 6 o'clock, para hindi na ako bubangon ng sobrang aga. So, gawa lang ako ng title. And I'm going back to bed after. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Late akong nagising. Kasi bumalik ako sa bed, natutulog ulit ako. Grabe. Alas 3 kami gising. Yan, and then, so ngayon, sobrang dry dito. Iwan ko na lang ba si Batman. Na-stress ako sa Na-stress ako sa mga Rapitolfo yan. Yung mga babae ba? Ang swerte na. Pinaglalaruan pa yung mga lalaki. Ang daming mga foreigner. Daming foreigner na kay Tolfo. Na-stress ako sa ganun. Yung mga tinutulungan pa. Malaki yung tulong. Yung bigyan ng business, bigyan ng magandang buhay. Pinaglalaruan pa talaga. Ay, nako. And guys, ang ice sa labas ngayon, sobra ma-ice, maganon. Ito yung suot ko kasi, komportable talaga siya, guys. As in, maririnig mo talaga yung ice sa labas na tuk, 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 tuk. Ganon. Grabe yung ice, guys. Uy, ginoo ko, Lord, this. And, yung iba, walang trabaho. Si Tami, nagda-drive na ngayon. Umuwi siya this morning, diba? And then, nag-stop siya sa bahay, sa isang bahay. Doon siya, nag-stop siya doon, and then pagkatapos naligo siya doon, kasi gusto niya doon maligo, nag-ano siya, magwash na lang po na ako ng face. Naligo, and then pagkatapos, nag-drive patungo Manhattan. So yun, nagwash lang ako, kasi, ay, sobrang dry talaga. Ginoo ko. Dito, namula-mula, iwan ko na lang talaga. Dito din, sobrang dry. Dito sa ilong ko, sobrang dry. And, meron pa namang package pala si Tami. And then, ako din. So, hinihintay ko lang siya. Ang problema ngayon, kung mag-deliver sila, and then, yung delivery is, aalis kasi yung driveway namin is pa ganun. At saka, sobrang ice, guys. Sobrang makapal na yung ice. So, ngayon, yun yung problema ko kasi, kapag andun, and then wala ako, ay nako. So, kailangan ko talagang bantayan. Para lang, dadaganin ko dun, tatakbuhin ko dun para, I guess I have to wear boots ready. I have to boots ready. Coat, para ready talaga. Para ready tatakbo dun. Pero sabi pa ni Tami, magdahan-dahan din daw ako, baka malambayog ako. Malabayog ako doon, papuntas kalsada kasi pag ganun, di ba? Mag-slide tayo doon. Ewan ko na lang, guys. But, nakatingin lang tong dalawa sa akin for some reason. They like watching me. And yung kapitbahay namin, hindi sila naglinis ng driveway. Buti na lang sa kanila, yung driveway nila is flat. Ang dito sa amin is pag ganun, parang islanting konti. Hindi naman pa taas, parang pa-islant lang ganun ba. So, pag ice talaga, atras ka talaga kasi doon, hala, pula talaga yung ano ko dito. Ay, nako talaga, buhay na to. Yun guys, slushy, ice yan, ice. Yan, ice. Slushy, hindi yan like snow na snow yung flake. Ice yan, slushy. Okay. Meron. Na. Paano mag-deliver yung ano, package kung ganito? Sagot ka. Sagot. Sagot. I said, sagot. 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 Sagot sa tanong. Sagot sa tanong. Ay, gahig ulo na gahig ulo. Tigas ha? Sagot sa tanong. Sagot sa tanong. Ay, nako. Buhay. Mugara ra ba? Enough with the whining. Hello, Dada's here. Are you gonna go get him? Ready to get Dada? Dada's ready. Go get him. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hi guys, sinacharge ko lahat ng mga dapat kong i-charge. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Dahil, ma-isno, ma-ice-ice. So, baka magkawala tayo ng power kasi yung mga kahoy doon is yung kahoy, actually, hindi man siya maraming, hindi siya maraming ice. Pero yung kahoy kasi kapag mabigat, matutumba. Okay, who wants to go up with Mama? Of course, there you go. Okay, hagdanan na. Hagdanan. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up. Okay. Isilupin yung Christmas lights and Christmas whatever we have. Okay. Go up. Go up. Go. Keep going, Roxy Misty. There you go. Ay, gusto ko sanang maglaro, guys, ng PS4. Gira-gira. Ay, ginoo ko, pero nakalimutan ko nang maglaro. But anyway, ngayon, continue tayo sa mga trabaho, editing, ganyan. And then, i-check ko din yung mga packages. Importante pa naman yun. Sabi ni Tami sa kanya, hindi ko daw i-open. Pero I think alam ko na kung ano yung in-order niya. Pero, hindi pa rin natin alam. Pero, irespeto pa rin natin siya kasi sabi niya, don't open it. And I said, you are a hard-head. You are a hard head. And then I told you, don't get anything from me. But I think I know what you're getting. But sabi pa niya, don't open it. Don't open it. Lagi daw, sabi niya, don't open it. You're not allowed to open it. So I guess it's for me and I know what it is. And I don't know. I hope he doesn't get it because my God, guys, I told him I need jeans. You know, I don't like double spending, like buy another one and then spend. It's like double spending. I don't like it. Like I do my priority. Like for example, I think that was my priority because the gift that I asked, from him. Roxy, stop talking while I'm talking. So right now, hindi ko alam kung ganun yun ba yung binili niya. And then I still have to buy some jeans because I want some jeans and I want some tops and bras and stuff. And yun yung priority ko kasi ngayon talaga, guys, wala na talaga. As in, yung mga jeans ko talaga is naghuhutan na talaga. Yung lights na binili ni Tami, hindi nagagamit. Ay, yung asawa ko, ang daming lights. Hindi pa kasi ang dami pang binili. Bumaba lang ako dito kasi andito na yung delivery ni Tami. Doon, nilagay ko doon. Hi, Diam. Buti na lang, yung delivery guy hindi nag-back up sa driveway. Narinig ko kasi siya kasi yung narinig ko sa taas kasi ako nag-edit. Yung narinig ko is brrrr, ganon. So sabi ko, ano yun? Baka yung package darating. Pagtingin ko, may linya ng gulong. Doon sa driveway namin, linya ng gulong, bago. So, dali-dali ako. So, yun. Delivery guy pala, UPS. Yun. Narinig ko siya, parang malakas yung pagano niya. Brrr, kasi Para naman maano, dumating na siya. Hindi ko raw i-open. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero may idea ko. I have an idea, pero I have to follow his direction na to open. Kasi yun yung sabi niya, don't open it! Don't open it!